Before we go into the cab, let's take a look at what the crane can actually do. First, we always need power. We've covered the steam power when it's outside the tunnel, but what about inside the tunnel? At the back of the cab, there's a large electric motor which, when inside the tunnel, or on the adjacent yards, was powered by a third rail. That motor would drive the same main drive shaft as the steam pistons. The electrical pickups were removed at some point, and there's no third rail here anyway, so that motor's no longer in use. Sometimes, an accident in the tunnel could damage the third rail, or maybe risk shorting it out. That would make it dangerous to leave it powered while people were working down there, so they'd cut the electrical power to that section. Since the crane still needed power, and they really didn't want to run steam in the tunnel, they had what were essentially massive jumper cables. People would hook these up to the crane and then drag these huge, heavy cables up the tunnel to the point where they did have power and connect to the 650 volt DC third rail. This would allow the crane to actually run on electricity, even with no electricity in that section. So we have power, either electric or steam, driving that main drive shaft. So what can you do with it?